In today's video, I'm going to walk you through two brand new layout features in Figma, Hug and Fractional Units. These updates make responsive layout design much easier, especially for grids, card galleries, tables, and image layouts. If you've ever wished your frames could automatically size themselves based on content, or if you've struggled with making columns scale proportionally, these new features are going to feel like magic. Let's start with Hug, the one everyone has been waiting for. To try it out, open your Figma file and create a new frame. You can press F or select the frame tool from the top toolbar. Once your empty frame is selected, look to the right-hand panel and find the Auto Layout section. In this updated panel, you'll see a new set of controls for layout behavior, including a row of 4 icons. Click on the fourth option, which enables the brand new Hug mode for grid layouts. As soon as you click it, Figma applies Hug automatically. This means your frame will now resize itself based on whatever you put inside it. To see it in action, choose your grid size in the layout panel. This tells Figma how your content should arrange itself. Now drag in an image or drop in multiple images. You'll see the frame instantly expand or contract to fit the content, almost like it's wrapping around the items. This makes it perfect for card galleries, image collections, and any dynamic layout where the container should match the content instead of forcing a fixed width or height. Hug is especially useful because it removes the need to manually tweak your frame size. Instead, Figma adjusts it for you as you add or remove elements, keeping layouts neat and consistent. Now let's move on to fractional units, also known as FR units. Once you've created your frame using Hug, you'll notice something new at the top of the frame, a small drop-down that shows the grid values for each section. This is where fractional units live. Fractional units let you assign relative proportions to columns and rows inside your grid. Instead of using pixel values, you give each grid track an FR number that represents its share of the available space. For example, if one section is set to 2 FR and another is set to 1 FR, the first section will always be twice as wide as the second, no matter how much you resize the frame. This is incredibly powerful for responsive layouts because your columns automatically maintain their proportions. To adjust these, simply click the drop-down at the top of the frame and choose the FR value for each column or row. You can make all sections equal, or you can give more weight to one side depending on your design. As you resize the frame, the grid adjusts smoothly while keeping your fractional proportions intact. Together, Hug and Fractional Units open up a completely new way of building layouts in Figma, layouts that respond to content naturally, resize intelligently, and behave more like real web structures. Whether you're building galleries, tables, dashboards, or landing pages, these two features give you more control with far less manual work. That's it for this walkthrough. Create your frame, apply Hug from the Auto Layout panel, add your content, then adjust fractional units using the drop-down at the top of the frame. With these new tools, your layouts will feel smarter, more flexible, and much easier to build.